Hello guys, I hope this video finds you well. Guys, how many of you remember Justice Ditto, who about a month ago, either a month ago or 2 months ago, he retired, as a justice. Now, while he was retiring, he had a press conference where he indicted CJN. How CJN is being manipulating, the judicial system. He exposed his corruption. Justice Ditto is while he's on, just Google it. Is there, the videos are there. He indicted him how he said he refused to appoint new Supreme Court justice. You understand? So they will not have a say over the Supreme Court matter. And he faulted the judgment that confirmed Pablo Escobar, Chief Tinubu, the president, that thing was 40. The video is out there. So before some person will say he's making it up, that thing wasn't a judgment. I don't know if you remember. Okay, guys, this guy's house has been invaded. They burgle into this guy's house. We always know how to predict these people in advance. They burgle his house, they break into his house and move on virtually almost everything he has. Okay, now guys, we are gonna read it together now, because of some person that will say show proof we are ready from video or this thing. No, I'm gonna be reading to you from Sarah reporters. All right, but guys, this is a kind of video that we need to always share around. You must share this kind of video as much as you can, because so that the world will know the corruption in our judicial system. We like this, with no hope. Only a judge who came out to speak truth to power, who came out to address the corruption. You understand? Of please, guys, I want you guys to go and watch the video. I will try and see if I can look for the link. I made the video on it. I will publish his video. I will see if I can see the link, so I attach it to this video. I will try, because it's quite long. It's about a month or 2 months ago. You understand? He said that judgment was wrong. You understand? And the politician used CJN to do it. You understand? So the world need to see this kind of video, guys. Please, they need to see this kind of video so I don't know the evil that is going on. A justice was bold enough to speak truth to power. Guess what is suffering right now? Please, let's watch the video together. Now, before we watch it, please like the video and please make sure you share. Thank you. According to Sarah reporters, breaking: Roberts Bogo retired Nigeria Supreme Court Justice Ditto's official quarters in Abuja. Retired Justice Mohammed Dattito's official quarters at the Supreme Court were boggled during the Christmas holidays in December 2023. The quarters for Supreme Court Justice are in Matama in Abuja. Sources privy to the incident told Sarah reporters that the home was stripped bare as the burglars took everything from the house. Everything. Sorry, guys, before I proceed, this is a justice you are talking about. That justice just retire. Now, before robbers could burgle everything, this happened in Abuja. What happened to security official? Okay, that's to tell you the hand of those involved. Me, I don't have that. This was a Pablo Escobar. 2. The burglary took place at the quarters for Supreme Court justices in Maitama. It occurred over the Christmas holiday, and that issue was traveling out of the country at the time. One of the sources said that Dattito, who retired from the Supreme Court on October 27, 2023, knocked his colleague on his way out. He described the Apex Court as rotten and characterized by filth. He lamented that the Apex Court had been pervaded by bribery and perversion of justice, adding that it was dangerous for two out of the 6 geopolitical zones of the country to be excluded from the bench of the Supreme Court hearing appeals on the presidential election. Lamenting that the appointment of judicial officers have been politically selfish and sectional interest, he said it is asserted that the process of appointment to judicial positions is deliberately conducted to give undue advantage to the children, spouses, and mistress of serving and retired judges and managers of judicial offices. At the Court of Appeal, it is asserted presiding justices are now being appointed out of turn, and there is the further issue of the unpredictable nature of recent decisions of the court as well. A member of respected senior members of the bar, Ita Alak, citing Hamid Lawan, the former president of the Senate and Imo governorship appeal, claimed that the decision of even the apex court have become unpredictable. It is difficult to understand how and where by this decision the judicial pendulum swings. It was not so before they contended. In some quarters, the view is strongly held that filth and intrigues characterize the institution these days. Judges are said to be comfortable in companies they never would have kept in the past. It is being insinuated that some judicial officials even campaign for politicians. It cannot be more dignifying. According to him, some years ago, appointment to the bench was strictly on merit. Sound knowledge of the law, integrity, honor, and hard work distinguished those who were elevated. He continued, lobbying was unheard of. I never lobbied, not at any stage of my career, to secure any appointment or elevation. As much as possible, the most qualified men and women were appointed. That can no longer be said about appointment to the bench. The judiciary must be uniquely above board. Appointment should not be polluted by political, selfish, and sectional interest. The place of merit, it must be urged, cannot be overemphasized. Public perception of the judiciary have over the years become wickedly scornful and monstriously critical. He lamented and called for urgent reform in the judiciary to correct the alleged abnormalities. Guys, now if you listen to this news and if you watch the video where the Justice Dito spoke at himself there, if you watch the video, you don't need to be told now. You don't need to be told where this is coming from. A whole retired justice, his quarter was invaded. Not only was he invaded, what happened to that judges? What happened to this judge, this other judge, the one that is supporting Tinubu, that is supporting Wike, Mary Odili? What happened to her now? Because this guy has spoken truth to power, they plan. What happened? They move everything, document everything. Wasn't this the same thing that they did to EFCC? Do you guys remember where they say SSS invaded EFCC after because the other EFCC chairman, he has documented that he indicted Pablo Escobar's friends, colleagues, fellow criminals. He has. So they invaded, they arrested him, invaded EFCC office. It's like the American Marine invading FBI. Come on. The truth is what you see when you put criminals in power now. It's what you see. Please, guys, make sure you like this video and please share it. Thanks and God bless you.